Hello and welcome to another Oracle Policy Automation brief. In this brief, we demonstrate a tutorial that focuses on determining and utilizing preferences as expressed as policies within Oracle Policy Modeling. The demonstration scenario utilized in this tutorial focuses on products, orders, and line items, specifically order fulfillment from inventoried items across multiple stores, with a requirement to prefer order fulfillment based on the price of individual units. For example, ship from the lowest cost locations before shipping from higher cost locations. This preference is determined according to policies written in Oracle Policy Modeling, and the policies also determine the quantity that should ship from each store. Let's begin the demonstration. We will use a saved test case. To look at some of the data that's defined within that session. There's one product, P1. Order 1 contains a line item on which P1 is ordered. In particular, a quantity of 100 of them has been ordered. We can see that 55 have been planned for shipment from the various stores and their inventoried items, which includes the in-stock amount of the product P1. By looking at the Oracle BI Publisher rendering of the output, we will get a complete summary of the data that was considered and the determinations made. At the top of this summary, we see the order, the line item, quantity ordered of P1, 100 items, and the total planned for shipment is 55. We can see the available inventory and fulfillment summarized by store immediately below that. If we scroll down the page, we can see how the quantity to ship from each store was determined. In particular, an absolute preference order of inventoried items was determined according to the policies in the rule base. For example, store 700 had 5 in stock at a price of 50 cents, and all 5 of those items will ship. As you can see from this absolute preference order that was determined by price, it proceeded from the items that were priced at 50 to 99 cents to $1, etc. If we change the data in this scenario, for example, the quantity ordered from 100 to, say, 27 items. And now look at the summary. We see that the total 27 is planned for shipment, and as we scroll down the BI Publisher document, we can see that 5 of the items priced at 50 cents will ship, 5 at 99 cents, another 5 at 99, 10 at $1, and concluding with the final 2 shipping from store 200, also priced at $1. Now in this example, we've determined the absolute order of preference inventory items based on the price. This could just as easily have been determined based on the location of the store, shipping costs, or any number of other factors that could be used in determining which stores the items should ship from to fulfill a particular order. And take a quick look at some of the properties that are defined. The key policies are in the Determining Preferences doc. We open that to take a look at the policies that are defined within. And we see a number of policies that have to do with determining an inventoried item's next more preferred source. In this case, we're determining it based on the lowest price. We can then determine how to fulfill the order using the lowest cost items first and proceeding through each higher costed item until the order has been fulfilled. You may download the complete tutorial, including a detailed white paper and the example project, from OTN. Thank you for watching this Oracle Policy Automation brief. And remember, you can learn more and stay connected by discussing OPA on the OPA forum on OTN, watching additional YouTube videos, learning more directly from Oracle.com, and now visit OPA on Facebook and follow us on Twitter at Oracle OPA.